Hi everyone! Welcome back to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you how to advertise on TikTok step by step. Let's get started. TikTok Ads Manager provides the tools you need to create and manage ads on TikTok. It also offers access to a global audience across both TikTok and its family of other apps. You don't need any expertise to get started. It only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Choose your goal. Select your objective, and it will optimize your campaign accordingly, whether it's raising awareness for your business or driving conversions. Before creating an ad, it is important to first consider what your business goals are and what you want to achieve. Your advertising objective is what you want people to do when they see your ad. For example, if your goal is to get more visitors to your website, you would want to choose the specific objective for traffic. If your goal was to get as many eyeballs as possible to see your new brand, you would select the reach objective. All objectives fall under three categories: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Awareness is an objective that gets people familiar with your brand or company. Consideration is an objective that gets people to think about your business and seek more information. Conversions is an objective that encourages people interested in your business to buy or use your product or service. As your business grows, your campaign objectives will change as well. So whether you're aiming for more eyeballs, more traffic, or more conversions, TikTok Ads Manager always provides you the options you need to help your business grow. Step 2. Select your audience. Reach the right people with a variety of targeting options. Create a custom audiences and lookalike audiences to re-engage and reach people similar to your existing customers. TikTok ads provide you various of targeting options for you to pinpoint the exact audience you want your ads to be displayed to. Targeting can be selected during the ad group creation process. TikTok Ads Manager supports the following targeted dimensions. Option 1. Audience. Create a lookalike or custom audience. Its customer file, engagement, app activity, and website traffic. Or you can exclude lookalike and custom audiences. Option 2. Demographics. With the gender, age, location, and language. Option 3. Interests and behaviors. Find users likely interested in certain topics. Deliver to user base their higher interaction with certain interests. And for behavior, deliver ads based on users' recent in-app behaviors such as interactions with videos or creators. Video behaviors includes watching, liking, commenting, and sharing videos by category. And creator interactions include following or viewing creator profiles by category. And option 4, device. Target users by mobile device using connection type, operating system version, device model, device price, and carrier. Once you set up targeting, its smart system will optimize ad delivery against your campaign objective. Basically, TikTok Ads Manager got you. Take note, targeting by location will depend on placements and available locations for each app. For more details on the logic between different dimensions and audiences when multiple audiences are selected, please refer to this table. Next we have Step 3. Set your budget. Enter your daily or lifetime budget and never pay more than you're comfortable with. You can adjust or pause your ad spend at any time. Moving on to Step 4. Design your ad. Upload your own videos and images. or create a new video. Making TikToks is a breeze with its AI-powered tools and native editing features. Here's how you create your ad. Take note, there is an ad limit of 20 ads per ad group. Step 1. Enter your ad name. Input what you want to call your ad. This helps you distinguish between ads within your ad group. The ad name is only for your reference, and it's not part of your ad. Take note, ad name supports 512 characters. Step 2. Select ad format. Select your ad format. And please note that TikTok currently only supports video ads. Step 3. Enter ad details. For ad media, there are 3 options for uploading your media. 1. You can upload your media from your computer directly. Number 2. You can access your media from previous ads here. Number 3. Create a video. Then, choose a thumbnail. Choosing a cover photo is an important part of grabbing attention. You can upload your own custom cover photo or choose one from one of the pre-selected images from your video. Based on the length of your video, up to 8 keyframes will be displayed to choose from. Then, enter your text and link. Once you've added the media to your ad, you'll enter the following elements that will be displayed with your ad, including display name, text, call to action, profile image, and URL. Now it is time to preview your ad. Lastly, step 4, add tracking links. Add any relevant pixel or third-party tracking URLs to track your ad performance data. Then, step 5, go live. When your ad is published, TikTok Ads Manager's smart auction system will ensure your ad is shown to the right audience at the right time. Then, lastly, step 6, measure your results. Track and optimize your TikTok campaigns with its intelligent reporting tools. Customize and visualize campaign analysis based on the metrics that matter most for your business. And that is how you advertise on TikTok. Go ahead and try it out, and let me know what you think on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can get online courses platform with integrated marketing, with hosts anywhere, supports 17 languages, and 6 profit-boosting plugins included? That is Course Funnels by Technic Force. Create and market courses online. Course Funnels helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. It's easy. You will have your first course set up on day number 1. It has a powerful dashboard, easy course editor, robust communication center, email marketing inside, and accepts payments any way you want. It has money-saving plugins included, and it supports third-party scripts, and has reports and analytics. Get instant access to Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.